Okay, so I just wanted to touch on a powerful tool that we're going to be using in our data analysis called the histogram. It's it's so simple, but it works so well in really understanding the shape of our distributions. The idea here is we're going to decide on a number of bins that we're going to put our data in, and we're going to choose a set number of bins. And within these bins, what's going to happen is they're going to the function, the histogram plot, is going to choose or count the number of times data falls within each bin. What this really does is it removes a lot of the vibrations that happen in between data points and gives us a better view of the shape of our outside data. So you can kind of see that the steps here, the little bins, we're putting our data into bins, and we can really see that outside shape to get rid of all of the noise around our data. It turns out that too much detail is not great for your analysis. You actually find I'm a very curious person and I always wanted to really get into the details, and I still like to. But for communicating results and where you really start your analysis is there's too much sometimes. You get lost in that noise. You're not able to focus on the bigger picture right here. When we're getting started understanding our distributions, we want to understand really the shape of our distribution. Is it skewed one way or the left? Does it have a little tail? Are there outliers? We don't really want to see these little tiny vibrations, which really could just be caused by the fact that we have a sample, smaller sample than the overall population. And maybe in the population, this noise wouldn't exist, right? So not getting rid of it, but choosing the amount. And one of the things that we'll have control with is the number of bins, so we can choose how much noise, how much generalization we're causing in our data analysis. Really good for communication, really good for presentations, and it's simple, but it's one of the ones that I would use the most. It's really a great starting point for any data analysis.